Have you ever pondered why the proportional ratio doesn't always work when preparing different dishes as portion sizes increase? The answer lies in the nuances of cooking and the characteristics of the ingredients themselves. Firstly, let's consider ingredient absorption. Some ingredients, particularly those that are liquid or sauce-based, absorb differently depending on the volume of other components in the dish. As you increase the portion size, the ratio of these ingredients might need tweaking to maintain the desired flavor and texture. Secondly, there's the factor of cooking time. Larger portions generally take longer to cook, which can alter the dish's taste and texture. Different ingredients can cook at varying rates when scaled up, so adjusting the cooking times and methods becomes necessary. Thirdly, we need to think about flavor intensity. As portion sizes inflate, the intensity of flavors can shift. Ingredients like spices and seasonings might need some recalibration to ensure a consistent flavor profile throughout the entire dish. Next, consider the density and texture. Certain ingredients, especially those with a high water content, can change the density and texture of the dish when portion sizes are increased. This can affect the overall mouthfeel and enjoyment of the dish. Lastly, consider the cookware and equipment. Bigger portions might need different cookware and equipment, which can influence the cooking techniques and the final outcome. For instance, baking a larger cake might need a longer baking time or different sized pans. Addressing these challenges requires a keen understanding of each dish's specific characteristics. Adjusting ingredients, cooking methods, and seasoning to suit the portion size becomes a necessity. Experimentation and experience play a crucial role in refining the proportional ratio and ensuring consistent results when cooking different dishes. So the next time you plan to scale up your favorite recipe, remember, ingredient absorption, cooking time, flavor intensity, density and texture, and the cookware and equipment used all play a role in the final outcome. Happy cooking!